Well, I figured out a flywheel situation. Yeah, I know. But the starter started smoking and then stopped working, and now same thing happened to my original starter over here. They are something's wrong with them. This one was not a OEM, it was a Reels Electric, I think is what the brand is. But I got it kind of freed up now, but it does nothing. There's clunking and it sounds like wires broke or something. Oh, we got something there. Yeah, I know. There's a wrench. I'm gonna put a washer there. I did have to weld the flywheel. I was just doing that for the keyboard warriors. Put the exhaust over here for now because it will. That was welded, but it broke. Let's see. Like that. Something like that. Because over here we got the carburetor and gas line, and I don't have any heat stuff, but was able to make that new carburetor work on there, but it doesn't. It fires up and revs really high, and then if I move it, it dies immediately. So probably need a different carburetor on that. Starter's junk, probably. Gonna go send them an email and see if they get me another one on the way, or figure out what the heck happened. So yep. And the N.R.T can't get a hold of the company that sent me the axles. They'll change the wrong ones for the right ones. The Odyssey, supposed to talk to Auto ATV about that. And yeah, work on Ford. There might be another video coming out there on that, but I don't know. Fix one problem, one more pops up, I guess.